Welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video, and today I am going to share 3 iPhone tricks, which I am 100% sure that you have not seen before. So let's start the video. Whenever you are listening music with AirPods in, you can't hear the door knock sound outside. Now your iPhone will give you notification when door knocks. To do this, you have to go to Settings, then Accessibility. Here, go to Sound Recognition and turn it on. Now to two sounds and select door knock. You can also select any other sound as well. Now, whenever door knock, your iPhone will give you notification. When you are on a call and press power button, call is ended immediately. To change this thing, you have to open Settings, then Accessibility. Here, open Touch and then scroll down. Here, turn on Prevent Lock to end call. Now, your call will not end even after pressing the power button. The last one is about sensitive photos or videos. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Here, scroll down, tap on Sensitive Content Warning and turn it on. Now it will blur nude photos and videos automatically before they are viewed. So these are some amazing iPhone tricks which I hope you would have like. So that's it for the video. Do subscribe for more videos like that.